I have discussed my journey coming to grips with the Braille Sense U2 throughout a number of domains in this practicum. But this competency 6.7 actually focuses on providing the instruction and evaluating the use of the technology by the learner. And it also includes the environmental and social impacts. And so I felt that the very best artifact to have in here was the successful assistive technology application for the Braille Sense that I put in for student C, because that goes through the whole trial process and what the trial goals were, everything that we were looking at, why we decided in the end that this was definitely the device that would best serve her needs. And that's quite an extensive document that, if you've seen in, I think it's domain 1, I went through a number of rewrites on before we got it to this point. I've also kept in here my journal from when I was learning to use the Braille Sense, when I had it at home over the last summer holidays, and every day I do a little bit more and try and push myself a little bit further with it, and I documented what I was doing on the Braille Sense itself. So that comes with all the funny little errors in it, but they are part of showing where I was at as I was learning my way around this device. I also have a copy of the Quick Users Guide, which was put together by some Blends RTVs, and I've scrawled all over that, and I think that's actually a really useful way to learn. When I was not sure about something, I'd go and find it, and if it didn't work the way I expected it to, given the information on there, I would add extra bits, or I would change things because it didn't seem to work that way once I did work it out. So I've included that one as well. Also, 2 months worth of email messages going back and forth between me and the very understanding blindness products consultant at Pacific Vision, who has been incredibly helpful. Every time I got stuck, I'd send him an email after trying to problem solve on my own, and he would always come back with a solution, and so I was able to add the knowledge that he shared with me to my own knowledge, and slowly it's all starting to make sense. And I finish with a video of students C and D, who are both learning to work with their Braille sensors for a variety of activities. So this technology journey is an ongoing one, and I am struggling to stay ahead, especially of student D, who's very quick to pick things up, but hopefully we will keep moving ahead together so that this becomes a device that he can, or both of the students can use for a myriad of activities and to enhance their lives.